Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need cellular messaging active and signal first. Once confirmed, open settings and go straight to messages. You're starting now, so skip long checks. Verify send as SMS is enabled and that iMessage is currently active. Tap iMessage to see its toggle. Turning it off forces SMS for non-iPhone recipients and when iMessage isn't available. Make sure you know your Apple ID and device phone number are listed under Send and Receive, so later changes apply to the right contact points. Once you've located iMessage, toggle it off. This stops messages from attempting iMessage delivery. Next, ensure Send as SMS is turned on so the phone automatically sends green text SMS when iMessage is unavailable. If you use multiple numbers, verify the Send and Receive list and select the correct phone number. After changing settings, close the Messages app or restart the phone to clear cached settings so the network recognizes the new preference and starts using SMS immediately. Now test by sending a new message to someone without an iPhone or to someone with iMessage turned off. You should see green bubbles indicating SMS. If messages remain blue, sign out of your Apple ID in settings, wait a minute, then sign back in to reset message routing. Make sure you removed any iMessage-only group threads. If problems continue, contact your carrier to confirm SMS is provisioned on your line and that no account blocks prevent outgoing texts. This fixes the last-mile issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.